Hey guys, Andy here, and today I'm going to teach you how to use automatic mask motion tracking in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here we are in Premiere. I just dragged an old clip of mine onto the timeline just to show off this effect, which can be used to blur out faces as well as license plates, home address numbers, and just basically anything you don't want to be shown on camera. Just go ahead, select the clip, go into Effects, go to Video Effects, then Blur and Sharpen, and then go down to Gaussian Blur. I'm just going to drag this over here. Depending on the detail of how much you want blurred out, you might have to adjust blurriness accordingly, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we're going to be blurring out my face and then using the ellipse mask to track it. If you wanted to do like license plates or something a bit more square, you could use this one. And if it's something a bit irregularly shaped, you can also use the free draw Bezier. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and hit blurriness at 100. Then we're going to select repeat edge pixels so you don't get this weird vignette effect. Then we're going to select the ellipse mask. We're just going to make it into a little circle-y thing. Then we're basically just going to go to the first frame. And then we're going to resize the mask to the size of my face here. And we're going to leave a bunch of extra room because I do kind of weave in and out of the camera. So that way it covers my face, my hair. So if you go over to the mask controls here, you can see mask path, and that's what we're going to be dealing with today. You can have it track backwards a frame, have it track completely backwards. So say for instance, I show up about halfway into the clip and then just kind of dip out for the rest of it. You can have it track backwards from where I leave the clip and then just kind of go from there. But for the purposes of this video, once again, we're just going to be tracking forward. So you just select this and it will slowly track frame by frame my movement and it'll keep the mask on there. Now, depending on how fast and how rigid my movements may be, the mask may kind of stop tracking. So that's why it's always good to kind of have your mouse over the stop button here just to see if it kind of loses tracking, so you can just hit stop and then get it back into position so that way you don't lose track. No pun intended. Anyway, we'll just hit stop here just to show you the effect here. As you can see, the ellipses is following my head movements. So I'll go back to the first frame and just hit play to show how it follows my head movements. So yeah, that's how you can use automatic mask motion tracking in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you like this tutorial, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and your question could be in the next tutorial. This is the Andy-san signing off for now, and as always, we'll see you next time. Bye guys.